Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I straighten my hair at home in just 5 minutes. So let's just get into the video. As you can see, I have really frizzy hair, mid-length hair. So I'll be using a serum for that. But first we are going to turn on the hair straightener. I'm using this Philips hair straightener with active iron, as you can see, and let it start heating up just by turning it on. You can see now it's on, and now just wait for 1 minute. Now I'm just going to start brushing my hair with a flat brush and remove my hair attachments. Now before I put serum on my hair, I need to part my hair in 2 halves from the middle to the end.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried.
Now the serum that I'm going to use is from Matrix Biolage. This is specially designed for frizzy hair, and you can also use this before straightening your hair. It leaves your hair really soft. And now I'm just going to finger brush my hair with the serum so that all my hair strands are coated with this. Now my hair is ready for the straightening part. So first I'm going to straighten my top of the hair in just a vertical line. Just take a vertical chunk of your hair and start ironing. You have to iron till the ends and don't leave it more than 5 seconds in one place. Now let me show you properly how to do this. Now after you have parted from the middle, take a vertical chunk of your hair like this and start straightening till the ends, and don't leave the straightener in one place for more than 5 seconds, or else it is going to burn your hair. So just like this you have to do all the parts of your hair, just taking the vertical strands and keep flipping it on the other side after you have ironed your hair. This would take hardly 5 minutes to do, and it's very easy. See, one side is almost done. Now let's move on to the other side.
It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. Without you.
In this way you have to straighten only 4 to 5 vertical chunks of hair and it will be done.
Was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line.
Now after you have straightened both the sides of your hair, now just make up with the front side of the hair. Now I am just going to iron my bangs in a diagonal manner like this, and then in the front way. See, now it's done. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye.
Without you, I remember myself, my